Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a 99 Nights in the Forest entity surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with our 99 Nights in the Forest surprise fold. Let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to be drawing the deer. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to start by making a line that's just going to come up and then down like this. Right here, I'm just going to make a small circle, and I'm just going to color it in for the nose. Next, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down and then up here. For the eyes, let's go ahead and make an oval shape like this. And then let's make another oval shape right over here. I'm going to make another oval inside of here. And then same thing here, another oval. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come up here. Make a couple little points, and then we're just going to bring this down here. I'm going to make a couple little points here and bring it over. Same thing here, a couple little points, and then bring it over. For the ears, let's draw a line that's going to come out and then back in. And then same thing here, out and then back in. I'll make a line that comes up and then down. Same thing, up and then down. For the antlers, let's go up and then make a point. And we'll do that same thing here. Just go up and then make a point. We'll make a larger point here on each side. Then we'll make a line that's going to come up to a point and back down. Same thing, up to a point and then back down. And then we're just going to bring them in. Next, I'm going to make a couple little points, and I'm going to bring this line down. Same thing here, a couple little points, and then I'm just going to bring this line down. Make this line come out and down, out and down. I'm going to bring this line up and over, and we're going to make some long kind of pointed claws like this. Same thing here, kind of bring this up and over with some long pointed claws. Next, we'll make like a curve for the thumb and a curve for the thumb. I'm going to bring this line back with some points and up. Same thing, bring it down, make a couple points for some fur, and then bring it back up. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our deer. We have the top and the bottom. So let's start up here first. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of curve a line right across here for the mouth. Then I'm going to bring two lines down here and then two lines down here. I'm going to bring a line up here and a line up here. And then let's make a little curve shape in here for the mouth. Now let's make some of the entities in here. So let's start right here. I'm going to make the owl. So I'm going to begin by making the eyes. I'm going to make a circle shape here. And then I'm going to make another circle shape right here. Then I'm going to put a large oval inside each one. I'm going to make a triangle shape for the beak. and then a little curve shape down here for like the bottom part. I'm going to bring a line up on each side for the mouth, and then a line that's going to come down and then up for the actual mouth. Let's make a line that's going to kind of come up, put a couple little points, and then we're just going to bring this down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then in, and then same thing here. We're just going to go out and then in. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, and then 3 points, and I'm going to bring this back. Same thing here, 1, 2, and then 3 points. We're going to bring it up and then back. Then I'm going to bring this up here and up here. We'll put a little zigzag line for some detail, and some little curves across for the claws. For the wing, let's bring a line that's going to come up and down on each side. Then we're going to make some little points and some little kind of rounded shapes. So like a point and then like a little kind of squared off shape like that. We'll make a little curved line right around there. Over here, let's make the ram. So I'm going to begin by making an oval shape like this for the eye. Then I'm going to make an oval shape like this for the nose. We'll make a curve that comes down and kind of color it in for the actual nose. Then we'll make another curve shape for the eye. We're going to come down and up for the mouth. I'm going to go down, make some points for like his beard, and then come up. We'll make a little round oval shape on each side for the pupils. I'm going to make this line come up with some points. I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to bring this line out and then back in for the ear. And bring this out to some points and then over. Now for his horns, I'm going to bring this line up and I'm going to curve it. I'm going to bring this back and make it bigger as it comes back to the head. Same thing here, up and then make it kind of curve around. We'll bring it to here and then we'll put a little curve here. I'm going to bring this line down with another line here and a line here. I'm going to make this line come down and out. Let's make a pointed line for a thumb. And then we're going to make some other little points there for the hands. And then let's bring it back here with some points. Over here, let's make the bear. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making an oval shape for the eye. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then I'm going to make a large oval shape for the nose. Then we're going to make another oval shape for the eye. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. We're going to go over and then down and up. Now I'm going to bring this over. I'm going to go down and up here for the mouth. And then we're going to go down, make a couple points, and bring it back up. We'll make an oval shape for the pupil and then an oval shape right here. I'm going to make the line come across, down with a couple points. I'm going to bring it over. I'll make this line come out and then bring it up here with some points. Let's make a circle for an ear with a smaller one, and then another circle for an ear with a smaller one. Let's make a line come here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then up. Let's make a curve for a claw. And then we're going to make a claw here, one here, and then one here. I want to bring this down with some points and then bring it back here. Now let's go ahead and finish off the deer. So let's begin by bringing this line down and this line down. We'll jump over here and then here. And then we're just going to kind of bring it all the way into here. We'll bring this line here and then connect to here. We'll bring this up and up. Same thing here. I'm going to bring this line down and this line down. And then we'll make this one kind of jump over and this one jump over. And there you go. There is your 99 Nights in the Forest entity surprise fold. When you have it all folded up, we've got the deer right there. And then when you open it, you see the owl, the ram, and the bear all jumping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.